So a direct report has said they're ready to move to the next level, but they're not fully performing at their current position. What steps would you take?
We talked about starting with the job family, just level setting on expectations and almost treating it like a checklist, like going through like, okay, yes, you're doing this. Yes, you're doing this. Yes, you're not doing this. So let's figure out a step and a plan, a timeline to get you. What would we need to see? And then, in the background, soliciting that support from, stakeholders and the leadership structure to get support. And it's like, just make sure that we've got a plan and we're communicating that to the team member. So it's not no, just not yet, but let's come up with a plan together that everybody feels good about.
I think we came up with the same thing, and basically invite the team member to do shadowing. I believe that was one of the words that Christine wrote down on the notes, right, Christine?
Yeah. So basically just to show the candidate that potentially to show what's involved whenever, you're taking on tasks that are of that level, and then to, through shadowing to kind of a soft approach to show them that it might not be ready yet, but then to complement that with a plan for, coaching and training and focus on their development in the right direction.
We also talked about in our team, the just importance of when they first say that, don't immediately go into, prescriptive mode of this is what you need to do, but do take an opportunity to seek to understand, like, all right, what's the driver behind the wanting to move to that next level? So you at least understand the motivation. Then given the gap, do talk about, the objective criteria for what the expectations for the role are. And we talked about the importance of making sure that those required capabilities are not vague. And got personal experience with having some things that are too vague and working on that now. So I encourage you all, if you got job families, please make sure they're accurate and aligned with like what good looks like. And then have a candid conversation of, all right, let's have the team member assess themselves, you assess them, and then talk about, all right, where is the delta, which is the gap, and where you identify gaps where possible, explain, show what good looks like, or show examples so that there's more of an awareness of what, current performance is versus desired performance. I will say it's tougher at GitLab because things are less defined here than at maybe, bigger companies. So it's easier said than done.